Welcome. My name is Randy Jenny, and this is a short video demonstrating SUMPRODUCT. Just a very simple example. So I'm over here on the weighted average sheet, and I'm going to put my cursor in N5. So I'm going to build a couple of very simple formulas. I'm just going to say equals quantity times cost. So basically extended cost, and I'm going to fill that down. And then I'm just going to click in N9, and I'm going to auto sum that up. So these are all things we've done in other spreadsheets. Nothing very taxing about that. But I want to show you how we could do that with SUMPRODUCT and do that whole action in one move. So SUMPRODUCT is a function that's built into Excel. It's a bit misnamed because it actually does the product first and then the sum. So it will automatically multiply ranges of cells and then add up the results. So instead of doing all of the formulas that we did up here, we can do this. So I'm going to go Insert Function. I'm going to find the SUMPRODUCT function. And it asks me, what's the first array? So my first array would be the quantity. And my second array will be the cost. So I select that range of cells. So it's basically going to multiply those two arrays, those two ranges, and then add them all up. And I click OK, and I get the same $36 result. So it's that simple. Thanks very much.